Hello students, welcome to the online class of physics. This is your Naima Miss back with the stars and solar system. So in our previous class we have learned about the length of the shadows, that is changing in the sun, length of the shadows. We have even learned about the changes in length of the shadows. Then we have learned about the movement of the sun, that is north south movement. We have learned about north and south movement, right? Then we have learned about the sundial and how to make our own sundial, right? Own sundial. So these are the things which we have learned in our previous classes. So in today's class we will learn about the phases of moon. We will observe the phases of moon. So how is it possible to observe the phases of moon? Have you ever observed the movement of moon in the sky? Have you ever observed? Yes, everyone observe it. Daily we observe the movement of moon in the sky. Does the moon appears at same point at a particular time every day? Yes. Is the shape of the moon same every day? No, that is not possible, right? And in our childhood we have a poem also where the moon says, मम्मा मम्मा मेरा एक शेप क्यों नहीं है, मुझे एक जोड़ा एक साइज का ड्रेस क्यों नहीं पहनाते आप. I hope you all remember. If you don't, go back to the childhood and try to learn. Okay. So this is the thing, that the shape of the moon is not same. Every day it changes. Now let us note the date of the day after new moon day. What is new moon day? Amavasya. There is no moon when the moon first appears in the sky. Okay. So what we will do, we will also note the time at night when the moon sets. Okay, when it goes down into the western sky. Okay, so in the same way, every day we will locate the moon in the sky at the time of sunset or immediately after the sunset. Okay, immediately after the sunset, we will try to know about the position of the moon. So what we are going to do, we are going to observe the phases of moon. So today's topic will be phases of moon. Right? So we will record the date and time of the moon at the sunset or before the sunrise. Okay, so now we will continue making these observations for many nights as possible. However, how many nights you can do, that many nights you take the readings, you try to collect the or record the readings, dates or time. Okay, so observe the moon a few days after the full moon day. Full moon day is when? It is Paurnami, right? Full moon day is when the moon is complete. Okay, so that is on the Paurnami, full moon day. Okay, then what we are going to do, we are going to observe the moon a day before the full moon day, that is before the Paurnami. We are going to observe the moon and we are going to locate the position of the moon in the sky, okay, at the time of sunset before Paurnami, and note the time and position of the sky at that time. So after Paurnami, you can note that the time at which the moon rises comes in the eastern sky, also also note the date. Then draw a picture of the shapes of the moon on each day of these days. You might have observed that the shape of the moon changes night by night. Yes, we know that. We have been observing from our childhood that the shape of the moon changes. Shapes changes regularly. Shape changes, right? Shape of the moon changes regularly. We have been observing from our childhood. Every night whenever you see, there is a change in shape of the moon. These changes in its appearance is called the phases of moon. Okay, so now we can know what are the phases of moon. Nothing but the changes in the shape of moon is called as phases of moon. Fine children, it's nothing but phases of moon. So can you guess why the shape of the moon changes? Any ideas you have why the shape of the moon changes? You might have noticed that the time period taken by the sun to complete a circle in the sky and come to the selected position is almost same every day. And it is about 24 hours. It will take 24 hours, right? That is one day. Whereas moon takes about 50 minutes more than a day to complete one circle, which results in the phases of moon. Okay, sun will take 24 hours, whereas the moon, it will take 50 minutes more. That is 24 hours, 50 minutes it will take to complete one circle. Okay, it will take to complete one cycle. That's why the shape changes. The changes in the shape is observed. Okay, whereas the sun takes only 24 hours to complete one cycle. So let us perform activities to understand why the phases of moon occurs. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a moon shaped lemon. Okay, a moon shaped lemon. Okay, so we'll choose a day 1 week after the new moon day. New moon day is what I said, Amavasya, when the moon is visible in the sky before the sunset. Okay, when the moon is visible before the sunset. Okay, before the sunset the moon is visible. Now take a yellow lemon or a white washed clay ball and a pivot, that is, it is on a long needle or on a spoke of a bicycle. What we are going to do, we are going to take this lemon, we are going to you have that in tires of the cycle you have the spikes, na, pokes. So we'll take that and we will keep here, or you can even take the needle, big needle you get, na, you just poke this into this lemon or the clay ball and you just observe it, hold it towards the moon. Okay, as shown here in the picture. So what do we observe? You must be sure that you are standing in the sunshine. Okay, you must be sure that is the sun rays should be falling on this lemon or clay ball, whatever you have taken. Okay, so this is your lemon or it may be your clay ball, white clay ball. Okay, you are taking this and you are inserting this spoke. Okay, so just we are going to hold this lemon in the sunshine. Okay, the sun rays should fall on this lemon. Okay, so what do we observe? We observe that the shape formed by the sunlight on the surface of lemon, is there some similarities between the shape formed on the moon here? Okay, so how much ever sunlight is falling, that much will be visible to us, whereas other will be forming like a shade. So that will form the shape of the moon. Okay, similarly, if you wrap a ball tightly with a handkerchief or with a piece of white cloth, assume that that is the moon. Hold this is moon and hold this ball in front of your eyes in a bright sunshine and turn around yourself slowly, then also you will observe the shapes of the moon. Okay, does the sunlight falls on the half of the ball at the time while you turn your ball around? Yes, it will fall. Is the shape of the illuminated part of the ball viewed by you same in all positions? No, they will not be same. They will be different. So why does this happen? This happens due to the, you can see this picture, children. Okay, you can see the phases of moon here in this picture. You can see that different, the middle, whatever the middle circle is there, that is nothing but your sun. Okay, so the last circle in the middle of this figure is the earth. Earth, and the smallest circle around it is nothing, represents the different positions of the moon. We can see the phases of the moon on different days in this figure. Okay, the sun rays falling on the moon illuminate half of its surface in all positions. However, we cannot see the entire illuminated surface in all positions. In some cases we see the entire illuminated surface, while in other cases we see only the part of it. In one particular position, we can see the illuminated surface at all. The shape of the moon we see in the illuminated position visible to us. So whatever the shape is visible to us, that only we can see. That is the illuminated part only we can see. The shadowed part we cannot see. 4 days later, when the moon is in the position of 2, a small part of the illuminated surface is not visible from the earth. So on the day 7th, moon is in the position of 3. So more of the illuminated part is visible from the earth. After 14 days, that is at position 5, you can see it's a full moon day. The entire illuminated surface of the moon is visible for us. This is the full moon day. Subsequently, when the moon appears smaller with each day as it passes to this position 6, 7, that is your day 18, day 21, day 25. After 28 days, the moon is once again in position 1. So it is not visible to us. Okay. So try to duplicate this position 1 with the ball. For this, you will have to hold the ball towards the sun. Yes. So in this position, which half of the ball is illuminated, you can see. Although the half surface of the moon is illuminated every day, we cannot see the moon on new moon day. Since the illuminated surface on the side opposite to the point of observation of on the earth, that is from the earth when we are observing, even though the moon is illuminated, that is illuminated means the rays are falling on the sun rays are falling on the moon, but it is not visible to us. Why? Because if we are seeing from the position of the earth, that illuminated part is not visible to us. The dark side is visible to us. So that is nothing but Amavasya. That day the moon is not visible to us. Okay. So I hope this is clear, children. One popular story to account for the dark spot on the moon is that in olden days, whatever story now we can see in our Vedas is that Ganesha, once filled with food, fell from his once filled with food, fell from this mouse and broke his stomach. Chandra laughed at this, at which Ganesha injured him by breaking off and throwing one of his tusks and cursed him. That's why they say that this is happening according to Vedas. But scientifically, it is said that this is the process. Okay. So with this, I end up the phases and the shapes of the moon, how it changes. Okay. In next video, we'll come up with the next topic. So try to understand and learn the topic, children. Thank you for watching the video.